Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this video lesson, we will look at another aspect of Romanian grammar. Hai să începem. Let's start. In Romanian grammar, onomatopoeias are considered interjections. Onomatopee, is defined as a word which imitates the natural sound of things. It creates a sound effect that mimics the thing described, making the description more expressive and interesting. For example, animal sounds, sunete de animale. Now, please understand that the animal sounds in differ from the animal sounds in English or other languages. So here we go. Chip chirip, chip chirip. That's the sound the birds make. Cuckoo-goo, cuckoo-goo. That's the sound a rooster makes. Hum, 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 hum. Can you guess that? That's the sound a dog makes. That's the sound made when slurping liquids, especially by dogs. Again. Meow, meow. Obviously, the sound made by a cat. More, more. That's the sound a bear makes. Moo, moo. That's the sound a cow makes. Now, let's look at some sound effects, or better say, let's listen to some sound effects. Efecte sonore. Tsuști, tsuști. It's a sound designating like a quick move. Tsuști. Pac, pac. The sound of a shot, a gunshot. Pff, pff. The sound made by the fall of a large and heavy object. Fss, fss. The sound of escaping gas. Plusk, plusk. A splash, the sound of something falling in water. Plusk. And boom, boom. An explosion, the sound of a loud boom, a loud explosion. Now, let's make some sentences. Plusk. Ea și-a scăpat inelul în baltă. Plusk. Ea și-a scăpat inelul în baltă. Primul lucru auzit dimineața de Andrei este cirip, cirip. Primul lucru auzit dimineața de Andrei este cirip, cirip. Obviously, the sound of birds. Se auzi un pac puternic din camera alăturată. Se auzi un pac puternic din camera alăturată. Obviously, un pac, a gunshot sound, the sound of a gunshot. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Also, if you can spare $1, consider supporting our project on Patreon. Ciao, this is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing. Bye bye!